Hey everyone, welcome to the WellOurs channel. Today I'll show you how to download and install Android Emulator 13 and 14 on your PC. Let's go to Google and search for Android Studio. Now let's click on the first link. Click Download Android Studio and accept. After downloading, open the file we just got. The installation process is pretty straightforward. You'll just need to agree to everything. Click Next here, like this. Keep clicking Next and then Install. Installation takes about 50 minutes. It's quite long. Now, go to the folder where you downloaded the emulator. Mine's on the E drive, in the Android Emulator folder. Open the bin folder and run the Studio 64 file. You can make a shortcut to avoid this step next time. Oops! Click Send to Desktop. Alright, the shortcut has been created here. Let's launch the program. Now, click More Actions, then Virtual Machine. Click plus and add the phone we need. You can upload your own phones for this emulator. It's mostly Google phones here. Let's say I want a Google Pixel 8. Click Next and then click Finish. There. Now we launch our virtual machine. It looks something like this. I won't skip this part. There. The launch is starting. Let's pause and wait a bit. Our Android emulator has started up and is ready to use. We can tweak it to reduce lag, as it's quite laggy for me. There, but overall it's good to go. That's all for now. This is WellOurs signing off. Goodbye everyone.